Hello and welcome back to Codula tutorial. Today we will see more information about Codula. So first we will see how to change the app icon and app name in Codula. So first you should be on screen 1, click on screen 1 and scroll down. There you can see the app name section. You can change the app name anything you want, like I will change it to voice. So now my app name is voice. If you want to change the icon, scroll down and you'll find icon and you can upload new icon to your project. Whatever image you upload, that will be your icon. By default your app icon will be the Codula logo. If you upload some image, it will be your new app icon. Consider you have built this project, you have to send this project to someone else, or you have to upload someone else's project and edit on it. So for that, click on project. There you can find the exporting the whole project or exporting the selected screen. Like if I click export selected project, it will download my entire project, and you can see here this is the entire project. Now I can send this project to anyone for modifying it. So if I want only this screen to be exported, so I can just click on project, export selected screen to my computer, and this particular screen will be downloaded. Like if I want to import a particular project or import a particular screen, you can click on project. There will be option for importing the whole project and importing a specific screen. Next we will see changing the splash screen. So what is splash screen? This is the splash screen of the WhatsApp. And like that you can have your own splash screen for your app. So for that, go to screen 1 and click on screen 1, click on advanced properties. There you will find the option called splash image. You can upload your image as a splash image. Then you can mention the package name as well. So package name is a unique name for every app. This you can find on Play Store link. You can give your own name. So for example, it starts with com dot, like you can give your company name or your name, anything like that. You should put another dot, and then you can mention your project name like demo. This whole thing will become my package name. So consider you have uploaded your project to Play Store. Now you want to give an update for the same app. For that you should change the version name from 1.0 to 1.1 and changing the version code to something else like 11. And after developing an app, if you want to test how it will work, you should export the project and again install it on your device and then check. This will take more time. Every time you can't export and install. So for that we have option called test. Testing means while developing only you can see the changes in your mobile. For example, I dragged a button to my project. As soon as I drag the button, this button will appear on your app in the mobile. So you should connect your mobile and this project first. For connecting your project and mobile in real time, go to Play Store and install this app, and next step, click on test and connect to companion. Then you will find this code. You can scan this code from that app or you can enter this code. Then you can live test your app. What is material icon? So in the previous project I have used the two material icons, one here and here. You can see the font typeface is material icon. What is this? For understanding that, you should go to Google and search for material icon. Click on the first link. There you will find lots of material icons. You can use these material icons in your app. You don't have to download this image, you just have to use this name. So for example, I will drag a label into my project and I will make this size as 30 and I will change its font typeface to material icon. Now I will enter class as my text. So you can see class symbol is appeared on the label. So I will enter commute. This image should appear. Yeah, you can see the commute symbol is now available on your project. You can type any name from this website, respected symbol will appear there. Go to block section. If you want to use this block in the future project, there is a bag. You can drag your blocks into that bag. You can use these blocks in your future projects. These two symbols, this is number of warnings you have and this is number of errors you have. If you want to remove a screen from the project, you can't remove the screen one, but apart from screen one, you can remove any screen from your project. Go to the respected screen and click on remove screen, and you should enter the screen name once again to delete the screen. And that's it for now. We will see more about Codillar in the next video.